Hi, this is the second part of the video on the agro-photovoltaic series. And agro-photovoltaic system or APV system is a practice of harvesting energy and nutrition in the same space. That is, you use the same real estate space or the rooftop space for both installing the solar panels as well as growing some vegetation. In one of the previous videos, we have shown how cauliflower was grown in between the rows of the solar panels. In this video, we will show some of the other crops which are grown in this APV setup. You can see here, these are tomatoes. Okay, these are grown right below the solar panels. You can see these are fresh tomatoes harvested right now. This will go for tonight's tomato soup. So this is the ridge gourd. We have put the pot here. In Kannada, this is called Hirakai. So this is a creeper. We have used the support of the pipe and the gutter to spread this creeper. You can see the many buds and flowers of ridge gourd coming up here. You can see some fresh buds. This is going to ripen in maybe about a week or so. So this is Sapsiki Sapu in Kannada. In Hindi and English, this is called dill. This is grown also right below the solar panels. You can see some fresh Sapsiki Sapu here. You can see some lady's finger. So you can see lettuce coming up here. This is the basil. This is the nice basil leaves. This is one more ridge gourd plant. We have supported with the rafter. This is also coming up very nicely. So these are some more plants here. You can see basil, lady's fingers coming up. This is rosemary. This is maraga. In Kannada, we call this as hongone sapu. We have got some brinjal as well. Got this nice tomato, tulsi. Geranium is coming up here. This is basil again. So now below the solar panels here, we have made this small tray on both the sides. Here we have put, this is coriander which is coming up here. These are the nice palak. And on these pots we have got again tomato coming up here. This is hongone sapu here. And so more basil. Here you can see lettuce coming up here. This is a nice rose budding here. This side now we have got methi coming up. This is a nice methi. Whatever the squirrels have left will come to us. Again, this hongone sapu. This is rosemary. The broccolis are coming up here. This is marga. We've got beans coming up. You can see nice flowers of the beans. We may be able to harvest this in about a week's time. Again we have got again this is the beans plant. This is also now flowering now. We should be able to get good beans in about 8 to 10 days. Now this are tomatoes coming up here. So we have some flowering plants here. So you can see the nice roses, the white ones. Here we have got the pink jasmine. In Kannada this is called Jaji Hua. You can see these are very fragrant and very beautiful flowers. this is also a creeper. This can the supports of the solar panels, the rafters can be used to spread this creeper. Again, there's one more rich gourd plant you can see. See how nicely this is spread. This is spread just below the solar panels. In about 10 days, we should be able to get harvest from this as well. This is geranium. This is a very useful plant here. This will help to keep the pests away. So this is the other part of the structure. Here the sunlight is little less. So we have put some areca palm plants here. Areca palm doesn't require much sunlight, but it purifies the air. So this makes a very nice plant for the sit out. There's also a table here which can be used like an office in the evening.